So how do you know if your iPhone is original or not? So let me show you a couple of ways how you can figure it out very quickly. If you are new here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this. First of all, once you grab the phone and play around with it, it's very likely that you're going to notice that something is off, like the hardware looks slightly different or the software is kind of laggy or something. But even if you cannot see it right away, I would go to the App Store as the first thing. And if it opens up the Google Play Store under the skin of the App Store app, then you know for a fact that it's an Android phone, so it's not going to be a regular official iPhone. For example, I have an Android device which has the skin of iOS installed. And in this case, it's looking like it could be an iPhone, especially if it were installed in a hardware exactly copying iPhone. But you can see that the Apple Store or App Store is right there. And when I click on it, it basically jumps to the Google Play because it's really an Android. So that is the first thing that you definitely need to check out and take a look at. But outside of that, I would go to the settings where you can find a general section and about, and there is the serial number. And that's the important part as well, because you can hold down on it and copy it. And I would check on the Apple's database if it is actually recognized like a genuine Apple device. So you can go to the web browser and look up the checkcoverage.apple.com, and you can paste your serial number there, and it should tell all of the information about the phone, including like when it has been purchased. So if it's a genuine phone, then it should not be a problem to check it out like that. So yeah, these are the ways to check if the iPhone is original or not. I hope I was able to explain it. If it's your first time on this channel, become part of our community so you don't miss future videos like this. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.